Calgary, Canada, December 18, 2025.
Baliktad na yung mga trailer.
Holy shit.
咁冇地方，所以秀瓜。
Poor visibility and treacherous roads due to blizzard conditions caused multiple chaos and road closures in and around the city Wednesday, while flights at the Calgary airport were also suspended for a time. Environment Canada's yellow advisory for blowing snow issued shortly after 11 a.m. meant affected areas may experience hazardous weather causing damage, disruption or health effects that are moderate and/or short-term. The Highway 2 corridor between Calgary and Red Deer, the Highway 1 corridor east of Calgary, and outlying, exposed areas within Calgary city limits were most likely to be affected, the weather agency said. The warning in Calgary was lifted shortly before 4:30 p.m. The storm system that swept through Calgary stretched across 4 provinces, said Environment and Climate Change Canada meteorologist Terry Lang. While the system pushed further south than initially expected, Lang said it was not a surprise to see the blizzard reach Calgary. Before the storm hit, Lang said it was unclear how much of the system would reach Calgary city limits, with Calgary positioned right on the edge between Chinook winds in southern Alberta and snowfall to the north. As the storm tracked south, it became increasingly evident the snowfall would reach the city. By around 2:20 p.m., radar showed the back edge of the snowfall moving out of Calgary, though the storm continued to affect areas to the northeast and east of the city. The winds are still going to be blowing around a fair bit, but for the most part now most of the snow has gone out.
只有一个早上，你看，爸爸妈妈早上出来的时候没有这么多雪。
Alberta RCMP issued a warning cautioning against travel on all Alberta roads due to heavy snowfall causing whiteout conditions in many parts of the province. RCMP said police were anticipating ongoing road closures in several regions of Alberta. As of early Wednesday afternoon, there were closures on the southern parts of the QI preventing access northbound at Calgary and southbound at Red Deer. Emergency responders assisted stranded motorists due to multiple collisions in the Didsbury and Airdrie areas, said RCMP. .511 Alberta reported multiple vehicle chaos in Calgary, with travel delays expected across the city. The Calgary Police Service warned motorists to avoid travel in the city due to extreme winter storm conditions. Many collisions and road closures are in effect, CPS said in a statement. Later in the evening, police reported a total of 192 chaos on city streets between midnight and 10 p.m. Multiple vehicle chaos on the QI highway between Calgary and Airdrie caused closures in both directions, according to 511 Alberta. While shortly before 5:30 p.m. all northbound lanes and one southbound lane were open, Airdrie RCMP recommended avoiding traveling, as crews continued to work to clear the roads. In addition to the closure, 511 Alberta labeled the highway's condition as travel not recommended, due to snow, fog, strong wind, icy sections, blowing snow and icy wheel paths from Calgary city limits to north of Highway 2A.
雪飘雪飘，哇，这个风。
Highway 1 east of Calgary was also labeled as travel not recommended from Calgary to Highway 24 due to blowing snow and poor visibility, as was Highway 1 from Calgary to Highway 21 east of Strathmore, due to icy road conditions causing multiple vehicle chaos in the area. Similar conditions were reported on many other highways in eastern Alberta as of late afternoon. 511 Alberta also advised motorists to delay any non-essential travel until conditions improve. The Calgary International Airport temporarily suspended flights early Wednesday afternoon due to heavy snow and reduced visibility in the region. Maintaining a safe operation is Calgary Airport's top priority. In a winter storm, we clear the runways, taxiways, and aprons of snow and ice to ensure aircraft can land, take off, and taxi safely, said airport spokesperson Mackenzie Murphy in an email. Periodically, all paved surfaces need to be shut down for snowplows, sweepers, and sanders to clear the snow. As of 3:30 p.m., one airport runway was back in operation for both arriving and departing flights, with crews working to clear the rest of YYC's runways, Murphy said. Travelers will still see those residual impacts in the form of delays or cancellations, so we still encourage passengers to check in with their airline for the most up-to-date status on their flights. The airport said additional crews have been brought in to support getting the airfield back to operations once it is safe to resume. Travelers are recommended to check in with their airline to see if their flight is on time before coming to the airport, and to leave extra time to get to the airport.